Maths with Sarah, a true lover of maths. Our today's topic is matrices, class 12 syllabus. Finding the inverse of a matrix is a sure 6 marks question in board exams. But calculating it through the normal procedure is a tedious one. Time matters a lot in board exams. So I am giving you a shortcut method to find the inverse of a matrix. How? Watch me till the end. Find the inverse of matrix A, 1 3 3, 1 4 3, 1 3 4. All of us know A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A by determinant A. First calculate determinant of A, because if determinant of A is equal to 0, inverse does not exist. So our first step is to calculate the determinant of A. So determinant of A, expanding along R1, 1 into 4 4s are 16 minus 9 minus 3 into 4 minus 3 plus 3 into 3 minus 4. Altogether 7 minus 3 is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0, therefore inverse exists. Next step, calculate the adjoint of A. That is the lengthy process. We have to find out the cofactors of each elements. A11, A21, A31, all these represents the cofactor elements, isn't it? It's a lengthy process. So I am going to reduce that step. How? First of all, write it once again. 1 3 3, 1 4 3, 1 3 4. Okay? Repeat the first two columns. 1 1 1, 3 4 3. Now write the first two rows once again. That is 1 3 3 1 3, 1 4 3 1 4. Cancel the first column and first row. Now we can calculate the cofactors directly. No problem of even sign also. Look, what is A11? A11 is nothing but 4 4s are 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Now A21. First row, A21. For the first row, calculate along the first column. 3 3s are 9 minus 12. A21 is 3 3s are 9 minus 12. That is minus 3. Now A31. A31 is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus 12. Again minus 3. We get the first three cofactor elements. Now for the next A12, calculate the second column. A12 is 3 1 is 3. Calculate vertically and write horizontally. Calculate vertically and write horizontally. 3 1 is 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. Next A22 is equal to 4 1 is 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1, and A32 is 3 1 is 3 minus 3 1 is 3, that is equal to 0. Now second row is over. For the third row, A13, take the last column. 3 1 is 3 minus 4 1 is 4, which is equal to minus 1. For A23, 3 1 is 3 minus 3 1 is 3. A23, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now last A33 is equal to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Now we can write the inverse of the matrix. Now adjoint of A is equal to 7 minus 3 minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. This is adjoint of A. We find the cofactor elements directly. There is no risk of even signs too. Now, what is A inverse? A inverse is adjoint of A by determinant A. Since determinant A is equal to 1, A inverse is the same as 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. This is the final answer, A inverse. Isn't it very quick? We can find out the cofactor elements so quickly with the help of this shortcut. Okay, hope all of you are enjoying my classes. I will be soon back with one more video on how to calculate system of linear equations so quickly with the help of matrix. Till then, bye.